Hey people, talking about long distance relationship, they are pretty difficult. It's very difficult to carry on a long distance relationship, not because it requires an extra effort, but also it is a great way to miscommunicate and misinterpret the other person's feeling. And just trust me, texting most of the time does that feeling. So make sure that you talk to that person very often, prioritize your time, take out just 1 hour or 2 hours of the day and communicate. That time should be like basically for you. It can be at the night, it can be in the morning, or it can be in the evening. So just make sure that that time of the day they are with you. As we know that it's a COVID situation, most of us are not in long distance, but this is the time we are gonna being tested for the long distance stuff. The second thing is spicing up your relationship by not gifting them very expensive stuff, but letting them know that they are important to you. You might just receive a chocolate at the end of the day after a fight, which can just enlighten your day and can help you feel that they are very important for you. You can just give them that mug in which they just drink coffee or drink water, and it gets reminded of you to them. So yeah, these are the small things that you can let your partners know that they are really special to you. Yeah, just have a look at these applications which I have listed down on my next part of the video. They are really cool, and they would give you a nice idea about how to go about the relationship. It can also spice up your friendships too. So if you are not in a relationship but you are trying to know that person out, these are the very important facts and figures that you can just inculcate maybe. So yeah.
So talking the whole day helps, but ladies and gentlemen, let's dive inside this application called Plato, which not only enlightens and kicks up the boredom, but also helps you fight your monotony and also makes you laugh. So I just love this game called Draw Together. It is just absolutely amazing. So yeah, you can discover Plato, you can discover Truth and Dare. Also, this formally inviting the other person on a date via Gmail is an amazing option. I mean, what's better than just inviting them on an official email and writing the subject as official date, and just calling them over Google Meet or Zoom, and can not only helps, but I think it just enlightens your mood. So make sure that you don't spend the entire day thinking about them, but also stay productive, because it is really important that you respect yourself as an individual rather than just depending on them. I've also picked up this application called Rave on iOS as well as on Android applications. You can just find out that you can watch movies together as well as you can speak while watching the movie, which is absolutely amazing.
So yeah, this is it. You can follow these instructions, you can watch these things together, but don't forget to take out time for your partners. It is not only important but also helps in building up the relationship. So I hope you like this very out of the box video idea, and if you really liked it, just don't forget to comment on below section, so to invite what all ideas I have, I might inculcate that. So yeah, see you next time.